By now, you should have a good understanding of the concepts of profiling data and possible situations where you will need to apply the profiling techniques. In this video, you will learn about data profiling and statistical analysis and how to use them in Power BI. As well as this, you will cover how to use profiling tools to inspect the data. AdventureWorks recently conducted a field survey to increase sales and collected potential customer data. This resulted in an Excel file containing information such as age, gender, occupation, income level, address, and phone number of prospective customers. Since the survey data was collected manually, it was not subjected to any validation. Therefore, before analyzing the data, it is necessary to confirm that the data is valid, within the desired ranges and quantities, and exhibits a good distribution. Before starting analysis on any data set, it is important to examine the data. By examining various aspects such as completeness, accuracy, uniqueness, and consistency, data profiling enables the identification of potential issues and anomalies within the data set. This proactive approach allows you to make informed decisions about data cleaning, transformation, and enrichment, ultimately leading to improved data quality. Additionally, data profiling facilitates effective data exploration and visualization by providing insights into data patterns, relationships, and trends. It empowers users to discover hidden insights, uncover data inconsistencies, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Before delving into data profiling tools, let's first consider two important factors in data profiling: unique and distinct. In Power BI, unique is known as total number of values that only appear once. Distinct is known as total number of different values, regardless of how many of each you have. Microsoft Power BI offers the following two profiling tools in the Power Query editor: column quality and column distribution. Let's begin with column quality. Column quality focuses on valid, error, and empty rows on each column, allowing you to validate your row values. The column quality feature labels values in rows in 5 categories: valid, shown in green; error, shown in red; empty, shown in dark gray; unknown, shown in dashed green. Indicates when there are errors in a column, the quality of the remaining data is unknown. Unexpected error, shown in dashed red. These indicators are displayed directly underneath the name of the column as part of a small bar chart. The number of records in each column quality category is also displayed as a percentage. By hovering over any of the columns, you are presented with a numerical distribution of the quality of values throughout the column. Additionally, selecting the ellipses button opens some quick action buttons for operations on the values. Column distribution provides a set of visuals underneath the names of the columns that showcase the frequency and distribution of the values in each of the columns. The data in these visualizations is sorted in descending order from the value with the highest frequency. By hovering over the distribution data in any of the columns, you get information about the overall data in the column with distinct count and unique values. You can also select the ellipses button and choose from a menu of available operations. Let's consider column distribution, specifically relating to distribution of distinct and unique amounts. Imagine that you have a selection of bike accessories that are supplied by 4 different suppliers: Supplier A, Supplier B, Supplier C, and Supplier D. In this case, there are 4 distinct suppliers. Now imagine you have 2 bikes, each with a unique supplier to any other bikes you currently stock. These would be considered 2 unique suppliers. Another type of profiling in Power BI is column profile. Column profile provides column statistics such as minimum, maximum, average, frequently occurring values, and standard deviation, and in addition, value distribution on the selected column. This is very important when assessing data to detect anomalies and outliers. Now that you've covered the basics of data profiling tools, let's apply this in Power BI and inspect some data. AdventureWorks conducted a field survey to increase sales and collected potential customer data. This survey resulted in an Excel file containing information such as age, gender, occupation, income level, address, and phone number of prospective customers. The survey data was collected manually. It was not subjected to any validation. Therefore, before analyzing the data, it is necessary to confirm that the data is valid within the desired ranges and quantities and exhibits a good distribution. Navigate to Home at the top of the Power BI window. Select Excel Workbook inside the data group in the middle of the tab. Select Potential Customers.xlsx and select Transform Data in the opened window. Check the Column Quality checkbox inside the Data Preview group of View to assess column quality. In the Age column, 89% of the values are valid, 0% of the values are error, and 11% of the values are empty rows. To assess column distribution for the Occupation column, on the View tab from inside the Data Preview group, check Column Distribution. Note that there are 9 distinct values and 2 unique values. Computer programmer and accountant are the occupations which appear only once. For each column, note that if all the row values are distinct, then unique and distinct amounts will be equal. For example, you can see that there are 19 distinct and 19 unique values for the surname column. Select the Age column and then check the Column Profile checkbox. Note that maximum value for Age column is 132, which is not acceptable. Examine the minimum, maximum, average, and other column statistics and review the value distribution chart. In this video, you learned how to profile data by assessing column quality, distribution, and profile. Data profiling in Power BI offers several advantages in the process of data analysis. It helps you gain a comprehensive understanding of the data quality, structure, and distribution. With its ability to assess data quality and provide valuable insights, data profiling in Power BI plays a crucial role in enhancing data reliability, accuracy, and overall analytical outcomes.